In this video, I will be teaching you how to use Ardent AI in this particular tutorial. So first, you first need to head over to your browser since it's only browser based. Just head over to ardent.ai, type it on your browser right here, and then you should be able to see this. Now click on this sign up for early access. Once you have clicked on this, you can see this option. So they're actually not quite ready yet. So for this case, just make sure to check this box and click on this sign up option. Once you're there, you will be redirected to their actual application through the Ardent. You can either continue with Google, continue with GitHub, or if you already have an account, proceed to click on sign in. However, you click on any which options from this case, and from that, just proceed to sign up. Once you have signed up, you should be able to turn plain English into smooth automations ready for your business. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.